Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5S. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 153,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, Bluetooth, and MP3 player. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.